Hey guys, welcome back to High School News Today. I'm here with Blake and Stella, and we're at a restaurant right now, and we're gonna do a challenge. So we gotta fill out the paper real quick. Blake, explain the challenge.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing a try not to sneeze challenge, and we're gonna be seeing how many times you can sniff the pepper. So we'll go around and we'll sniff it like 3 times, and then we'll pass it on to the
And
next
if you
person.
sneeze, you get a point. If you don't sneeze, you get a point. And whoever has the most points loses. And whoever has
the most points wins.
Whoever has the least.
Wait, why?
Because if you don't sneeze, then you get a point. So what? Oh yeah, if you have the most, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Anyways,
I'm so scared.
3 times.
I think you have to. Okay, do it a little bit more. Do like 7. I don't like it. There's one my class.
That's the point for you.
You gotta get closer, girl.
It was so bad. Oh my gosh, it hurts my nose. Just gotta smell it 7 times. It hurts my nose. Okay, y'all got a point in the first round.
Okay, we're gonna do this. We used to do this something. Try this again.
Skip some up on your finger.
Okay, somebody get some.
Skip that up. Skip that up with your finger, and you'll smell it on our finger now.
Food's gonna be coming in like 2 minutes.
Okay. I didn't sneeze. No, I didn't sneeze. Yeah, you didn't sniff it all. Okay.
Didn't sneeze.
This might be a bad challenge. Might be a fail.
I feel like no one's gonna sneeze.
Okay, Stella, your turn. Get some on your finger. Have a 7.
It hurts my nose.
This is probably a fail, but
We'll do it one more time. If no one sneezes, we'll just stop.
oh, Patty almost sneezed. It touched my nose, so that's insane. Oh, it burns, bro.
I know, right?
Should we do it to watch me sneeze here? Let's try this, guys. We're gonna try this. I don't know what this is.
Ew.
Oh, don't smell that. Smell it. Smell it.
I could like taste it right now.
Is this salt or sugar?
Salt. Yeah, this was an epic fail. Bye.